everyone, I'm Sally. Welcome again to Pandan Diary. This time I'll show you how to make this baby sleeping on the moon cake topper for baby shower cake. Without further ado, let's get started.
For the inside of the moon, I use a 15 centimeters round styrofoam dummy cake. Because the shape of the moon is a crescent moon, I will remove some of it with a circle shape. It looks like it is still thick, so I thin it again. And then I roll out yellow fondant to cover the moon. And then I roll out yellow fondant again for the back of the moon. I brush the styrofoam with water. And I trim the edges. Then I insert a skewer to support the moon. Next, I'll make a light blue hat for the moon. I think I need to add more skewers to make it stand firm. I'm going to add white dots to the hat. Again, I add a skewer in the middle of the moon because the moon wasn't firm enough. Next, I'll make the sleeping moon eye. And then the nose. Then his smile line. Then I brush pink food coloring mixed with a little water to his cheek. Next, I'm going to make a light blue baby blanket. And I also add with little white dots. Now I'll make the baby boy. I split the lower part of the body to make the baby's legs. Now I'll make the baby's head. I'll draw a sleeping baby face with a smile. And this I'll make the baby head. And now I'll make the baby's hands. And then the other hand. And now I'll make a cloud. Here it is, the baby sleeping on the moon cake topper for baby shower cake.
Thank you all for watching. watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification for other interesting fondant figures, cake toppers, and cake decorating tutorials. See you in my next video. Bye!